In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blocked emails in Outlook. Whether it's a sender you mistakenly blocked or an important email that never reached your inbox, this guide will help you navigate and manage your email settings to avoid such mishaps in the future. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook account on your preferred web browser. This method is specifically for the web-based version of Outlook. Once logged in, you'll notice a gear icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. This is your settings button. Click on the gear icon, which will open a drop-down menu exhibiting a range of settings and features that you can adjust to suit your preferences. After you've clicked the gear icon, scan down the menu options until you find View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Go ahead and click it. This action will open a new window with a sidebar displaying several tabs. From here, click on the Mail tab to expand the options related to your email settings. As you navigate through the Mail tab, locate and select Junk Email, where you'll find the settings specifically meant for managing how Outlook handles unwanted emails. This is an important area to be familiar with as it gives you control over what comes into your inbox, including managing any blocked senders. Within the junk email section, you should see a subsection entitled Blocked Senders and Domains. Clicking on this will display a comprehensive list of emails and domains that you've previously blocked. If you find a sender's email address or domain that shouldn't be there, now is the perfect time to unblock them. To unblock a sender or domain, simply hover over the item you'd like to remove and you will see a trash bin icon or remove option appear next to it. Click this to remove the sender from the blocked list. This action will essentially lift the block, allowing email from this sender or domain to enter your inbox from now on. It's worth mentioning that managing your blocked senders list is crucial in ensuring you don't miss out on important emails. It's also a great practice to regularly review and update this list to accommodate your changing network of contacts and avoid mistakenly blocking legitimate emails. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you've successfully checked and managed blocked emails in Outlook. Making the time to understand these settings not only enhances your email experience, but also ensures effective communication without unnecessary interruptions. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.